Hey guys, this is Vanessa from the Pudgy Rabbit, and today I'm going to show you how to do the waistcoat stitch. This stitch has a knit look to it and is also known as the center single crochet stitch or split single crochet. So if you know how to do a single crochet, you can do this stitch. So let's get started. So we're going to start by making our base chain, and you can chain as many as you need for your pattern and then add one extra chain. So I'm going to start with a base chain of 10, add 1, so I'm going to chain 11. So here's my base chain. Now I'm going to insert my hook in the second chain from the hook. So counting back, that's the first chain and that's the second chain. This is where I'll insert my hook, and I'm going to work one single crochet in each chain going all the way down the row. So here's my first row of single crochet. Now I'm going to chain 1 and turn my work, and I'm going to work one single crochet into the first stitch. Now to do the waistcoat stitch, I'm going to insert my hook in between these two legs of the single crochet underneath these two bars. So I'm going to insert my hook right here in between the two legs. Then I'll yarn over and pull through, and I'm going to pull my yarn up so that it's at the same height as the working loop that's already on my hook. You want to make sure that you pull your loop up far enough and that it's not underneath your previous stitch so that your stitch has the same height. Then you can just yarn over and pull through both loops to complete the stitch. And there you've made one waistcoat stitch. Now I'm going to repeat for the next stitches. So I'm going to insert my hook in between the two legs of the next stitch underneath those two horizontal bars. Yarn over and pull through. Pull the loop up to match the height. Yarn over and pull through both loops. Now I'm going to repeat this for the next 6 stitches, and then when I reach the last stitch of the row, I'm going to work one regular single crochet. Now I'm at the last stitch for the row, and I'm just going to work a regular single crochet into that last stitch. And there's our second row done using the waistcoat stitch. Now I'm going to chain 1 and then turn my work. And for the third row, I'm going to again make 1 single crochet into the first stitch of the row. Then for the next 8 stitches, I'm going to work a waistcoat stitch. So I'm going to insert my hook in between the legs of the next stitch underneath those 2 horizontal bars, making sure that I always pull the loop up on my hook to be the same height as the working loop that's already on my hook so that my stitches are the same height. Now for the last stitch of the row, I'm just going to work a regular single crochet. Now I'm going to chain 1 and then turn my work, and I'm ready for my 4th row. I'm going to work a few more rows and then show you guys how the finished piece looks. And here's the waistcoat stitch all worked up. You can see it has a nice tight weave and the fabric ends up having a little bit of stretch to it, and it looks the same from the front as it does from the back. I hope you guys found this helpful, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more crochet tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.